Hello guys, welcome to Software Designs. Today we'll be teaching you how to get used to Corel Workspace. The Corel Workspace, you need to be familiar with it because it's one of the most important things. Let's dive in straight to double click to open CorelDRAW. I'm using Corel 2021. There are other versions like that. Cancel this. And then this is the welcome screen for Corel. It's showing the different works you have done in CorelDRAW very differently. Then go to new document. When you come to new document, you click OK. Then this is the toolbar section. This is the toolbar section. Here you have the pick tool, the shape tool, the crop tool, the zoom tool, the freehand tool, you have the rectangle, ellipse, you have the polygon, you have text like that. You have the parallel, shadow, you have the transparency, you have the eye picker, you have interactive, basically like that. This is the work environment you tend to see. And then before you start your design, you have these are the paper types. These paper types are very, very important because if you are designing for a brand and you want to actually get a particular size, or let's say you are designing to print, basically you are designing to print, these are different color sections, pages you have, because paper sizes, look at the paper sizes differently, starting from A4, A5, A2, depending on the size of what you're designing. If you want to design a business card, you come here, select a business card. Then this is the artboard automatically changes to the size of a business card. For example, it's in inches and the size is 3.5 by 2.0. That is the size of a business card. Let's say you want to design a web banner, and these are the sizes of web banner. I think this is actually in pixels. A web banner 120 pixels by 60 pixels, and then you come to this an envelope size basically. Then this is government letter and then government legal, and then scroll down, you see Japanese postcard, Japanese return postcard. But basically, if you are not using the other business card, you use this particular one. And the frequent ones they use is A4, A5, and A6, and then A2 basically. Then this is the colors, which these are CMYK colors. These are RGB colors. The difference is RGB, this red, green, black, because most of them you see red, green, black. Then you see their percentages. As the red, you have 2, and this is 255, just based on their percentage in that order. You see them, you can see it's just a reduction, just an addition of small voltage or volume of colors like this. And then here, these are CMYK colors. The CMYK colors look a bit dull. These are the text for text options when you are, let's say, designing a program, or basically anything you are designing that involve a serious form of write-up. Let's say later you want to serve a letter. This is very important for you. And then these are the basic ones that you have to see. And then your design starts from here. Thank you so much. Subscribe to Software Design for more updates.